can go over to Google and you can just search for products that have reoccurring affiliate programs. And once you go over there and you find one, you can scroll down, guys. Like I found this article over here that has 47 best reoccurring affiliate programs. And reoccurring means when someone signs up for a service or a product, they're going to have to pay a monthly fee to have that product every single month, and you're going to get a commission for that. So when you get one person to sign up, they're going to pay you for the life of that product while they stay signed up as an affiliate. This is an effective way where you pay for the sponsored post once, but you're going to make money online every single month. It's passive, it's reoccurring. It's the best way, guys, to set up a business online in 2021. So when you come down here, you're going to find a whole range of different types of products which are the best to do this. The first one over here, as you can see, there's ConvertKit, guys. There's Active Campaign. There's MailerLite. When you scroll down here, you've got Aweber. If you scroll down here, you've got GetResponse, which you can earn some really good commission